You do not need a 50% team to look like one. These 5 AI tools will make your one person operation look like a Fortune 500 company. Your customers will never know the difference. Let's go. Number 1. Canva AI. You probably know Canva for basic design. But with the AI features they have added, it has become something completely different. Magic Design takes a single line of text and generates complete social media posts, presentations, and even short videos. Text to image built right in. Background remover that works in one click. Brand kit that keeps everything consistent across every design. I create all my social media content, thumbnails, pitch decks, and marketing materials inside Canva now. What used to require a graphic designer charging $500 a project now takes me 15 minutes. The free tier is incredibly generous. Pro is $13 a month, and honestly, it is the best value in design tools right now. If you are still paying a designer for routine work, you are overspending. Number 2. Fireflies AI. Every meeting you have generates valuable information, and most of it gets lost because nobody takes good notes. Fireflies fixes this permanently. It joins your Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams call automatically, records everything, transcribes it with 95% accuracy, and then generates a summary with action items. But here is the part that changed how I work. You can search across all your meetings. Need to find what a client said about pricing 3 weeks ago. Just search for it. I have saved at least 5 hours a week since I stopped manually taking meeting notes. The free plan gives you 800 minutes of transcription per month. That is more than enough for most businesses. Pro is $18 a month for unlimited. Number 3. HeyGen. Want professional spokesperson videos without hiring an actor, renting a studio, or even showing your face. HeyGen makes it possible. You type a script, choose from over 300 AI avatars, pick a language, and get a studio quality video in minutes. The avatars look remarkably real. Natural lip sync, proper gestures, eye contact. I use it for product walkthroughs, customer onboarding videos, and multilingual marketing content. One script, 5 languages, 5 different videos, all generated in under 10 minutes. Traditional video production for the same output would cost you $5,000 minimum. HeyGen starts at $24 a month. For businesses that need video content at scale, this is transformative. Number 4. Opus Clip. You spend hours creating a long video, but the real reach comes from short form content. Opus Clip takes any long video and automatically identifies the most engaging moments, clips them into vertical shots, adds captions, and even gives each clip a virality score. I upload my YouTube videos and get 10 to 15 ready to post shorts in about 2 minutes. It detects the hooks, the punchlines, the key moments. The AI editing is genuinely smart. It knows where to cut and where to keep. For anyone creating YouTube content, podcasts, or webinars, this tool alone will triple your content output. Free plan gives you 90 minutes of upload per month. Pro starts at $19 a month. Number 5. Tidio AI. Your customers expect instant responses, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But you cannot be online all the time. Tidio gives you an AI chatbot that handles customer questions, resolves common issues, recommends products, and captures leads, all automatically. It learns from your website, your FAQ, and your product catalog. When a question is too complex, it hands off to you seamlessly via live chat or email. I set it up on my website in about 20 minutes. Since then, it has handled over 70% of customer inquiries without any human involvement. Free plan covers 50 conversations per month. Business plan is $29 a month. For any business with a website, This is the easiest way to look like you have a full support team. So here is the bottom line. Canva makes you look like you have a design team. Fireflies gives you a personal assistant for every meeting. HeyGen gives you a video production studio. Opus Clip multiplies your content output. And Tidio gives you round the clock customer support. 5 tools, under $100 a month combined. And your customers will think you have a team of 50. The businesses that adopt these tools now will have an unfair advantage over everyone still doing things manually. And that gap is only going to get wider. If you want to see each of these tools in detail, I have individual shorts breaking down every one of them. Check those out. And if you are building a business with AI, subscribe. I am covering the best tools, strategies, and automations every week. See you in the next one.